Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Here we have to go to the status bar here and tap on battery percentage. And as you can see here, we've got three different options. So either we can hide it, we can show it outside the battery icon, so the option I've got currently applied, or show it inside the battery icon, so it is a little bit smaller. However, thanks to the font which is used here, it is still quite visible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.